Hello everyone, so today I'm going to teach you how to convert a JPG to PDF file. As your exams are approaching, so you have to convert your images to PDF files and then submit it to Microsoft Teams folder. So how it is to be done, so I'm going to teach you that only. So before that you have to install Adobe Scan in your mobile phone. Okay, if it is done, well and good, and then open Adobe Scan. Okay, it is done. So until the circle becomes blue you have to wait, so it will automatically click. Yeah, it is done. Continue. One page already has been clicked, so I'll click on same place. I'll go back again. So now the second page I'm going to click it. So yeah, again the same thing. Once it becomes blue it will automatically click it. Yeah, done. So continue. So once it is done you have to tab on the same page where the image is kept. Click it over here. Now on the right hand side on the top it's mentioned save PDF. Click it over here. So it is done. Okay, so it is mentioned over here waiting for upload, so just on your net. So once it is done it will get uploaded to cloud. Just for a few seconds you have to wait. Okay, it is done. Now over. No, we don't have to do anything, just come out of this. Now go to Microsoft Teams. Suppose you belong to different classes, like from class 7 onward, 7 8 9 10 11 12, they have to submit the answer sheet on Microsoft Teams folder. So as per my group you can see here few are there. Suppose for example it is class 8. Okay, so they'll go to class 8 general tab. So whichever subject exam they have appeared and a PDF is ready. Suppose history and civics PDF they have made it, so they'll click on history and civics. Okay, then tab on plus sign. Okay, upload. Okay, so you can see here we don't get the file where we have kept it, so just click on the three lines on the left side and you can click on recent. Okay, now you can see here Adobe Scan on the top left. So click on Adobe Scan. So you can see here files are there. Whichever files you want to upload you can upload it. So once it is done it is getting uploaded, right? So it is uploaded. Okay, this much only you have to do, and again the same thing you have to do the next time. Whichever exam you do or write it, same thing you have to do it again and again, and then upload it on Microsoft Teams. So hope you all have understood it. Thank you for watching.